If you guys want to see how I made these delicious spinach cheese fritters, you just continue to watch this video. I'm telling you, this recipe is so good, guys. It is a must try. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some fritters. So here I have 1.5 cup of plain flour. These are all of my seasoning. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have everyday seasoning. I have salt. I have black pepper. And I also have some Cajun seasoning. You can use Cajun seasoning. You can also use garlic powder and onion powder. So guys, my seasoning is 1 spoon, okay? So first you just want to blend all of your seasoning and your flour together. Just make sure everything is all combined. So after you blend all of your flour and your seasoning together, now you're just gonna make and hold, and you're just gonna add some water. I'm gonna put at least 1.5 cup of water, but I'm gonna do it slowly, okay? Don't put everything all at once. Then you just wanna take your time and stir it. So I'm just adding some more of my water to my flour mixture, and you just want to take your time and stir it all together. So after you had your water and you mix it all together, this is exactly how you want it to be, okay? So just stay tuned to see what I'm gonna do next. But that's perfect. So for my fritters, guys, I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of spinach, and I'm also gonna add half cup of cheese. I can't remember the name of the cheese, but you can also use Parmesan cheese, okay? And I'm gonna also add some heavy cream. That's 1/4 cup of heavy cream, okay? So now I'm gonna add my heavy cream to my flour mixture. Then I'm just gonna stir it all together. Just make sure everything, guys, is all combined. The reason why I use the heavy cream is because it's gonna give the fritters a bit of creaminess. Yes, so that's the reason why I'm adding it. So my mixture is looking nice and smooth, and that's exactly how you want it to be. That's perfect. So guys, it's about that time. Now I'm just adding my cheese. I'm telling you, this recipe, guys, it's so good. These fritters, it tastes amazing. They are so yummy. Now you're just gonna stir it all together. Make sure everything is all blend. So now I'm adding my spinach, and after you add your spinach, guys, you just want to continue to stir it, okay? Just make sure you don't add all of your spinach all at once. You just take your time and just mix it all in. So now I'm just adding my remaining cheese that's left back. And I'm also gonna add my remaining heavy cream that's left. So guys, if it's too thick, you can always add more water to it, okay? Just to loosen it up a bit. So my mixture is all finished, guys, and that's what it look like. That is perfect, guys. That's perfect for me. So now I'm gonna fry them now. Can't wait. So here I have at least quarter cup of vegetable oil in my frying pot. And guys, please don't turn up your stove. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat because you don't want your fritters to burn. So now I'm just gonna take my big spoon and I'm just gonna add my fritters to my pot, okay? Just do it slowly. You can add at least 3 to 4 fritters. It just depends how big your pot is. And you're just gonna allow it to fry, guys, for at least 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So it's been about 4 minutes. So now I'm just gonna turn my fritters. Make sure you just take your time, okay? I was having a bit of problem turning them, but I'm gonna use my fork also because it's more easier. Guys, I'm telling you, just look at the color of those fritters. They look so amazing. They are golden. That's so perfect. I'm telling you. This recipe is a must try. These fritters came out perfect. Perfect. Trust me, it was so good. So my fritters are perfectly fried. So now I'm just removing it now. Guys, it is so crispy. You can place your fritters on a cooling rack. And you can also get some paper towel and put at the bottom so the oil will dissolve, okay? If you see any bits that leave back from the fritters in your pot, you can always remove it. So now I'm just adding some more of my fritters. I'm adding at least 4 this time, guys. Just make sure your stove is on a medium heat because you don't want your fritters to burn up. So please remember. So now I'm just turning these ones. And guys, I'm telling you, the color is so amazing. Just make sure your fritters look exactly like this. Yeah, this is exactly the color you want it to be. You don't want it to burn. Nah, we don't need no burned fritters around here. So it's about that time. Now I'm removing my fritters. So finally guys, these are the last set of my fritters. So now I'm just adding it to my pot. So all of my fritters is all fried. So now I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So now I'm just plating up my fritters. Guys, I'm telling you, they came out so perfect. I am so proud of myself. This is the first time I ever add cheese and spinach to my fritters. Normally I will add sawfish, do it the Jamaican way, but this time I do something different. This recipe is a must try. They came out so good. Share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys. Please do me a favor because I work so hard on doing these videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and give me a big thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I'm just showing you guys close up of how yummy these fritters look. I could never finish this video without showing you guys on the inside of the fritters. Guys, just look. It is so soft on the inside and so crispy on the outside. These fritters just cook perfectly, guys. They fried perfectly. I mean, look at it. It is so soft, so moist. It's just so amazing. Oh my gosh, it is delicious. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed.